What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today is September 14th, 2022, and in today's video, I got a quick market overview for you guys. Got a lot of stuff going on. We got the ETH Merge going on today, got some Voyager updates, and a bunch of other things. If you think that's interesting, stick around. I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you're all having a great day today. On your way in, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button on your way in. Consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. It's the easiest thing you guys can do to help support my channel. So I haven't been putting out a video the last couple of days. I did pick up some extra work to buy some more crypto, and I am on that late shift, so I won't be so active as much, but I'll try to pump out a video early in the morning or late at night. So just an FYI for you guys. But I'm going to try to make this video quick, go over some market news, crypto stuff, and yeah. Hopefully you guys all have a great day today. So let's just jump right into it right now. So market is down about 1.65% the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin down about 3.61%, sitting about $20,166. Obviously, we had those CPI numbers come out, which pretty much tanked all the markets, traditional and crypto. The ETH Merge going on today. Not much movement with that. We're only up about 0.54%, sitting about $1,592. And BNB's down about 1.36%. Cardano's up, though, up about 2.7%. It's in at 48 cents. Today is September 14th. Let's see what kind of holidays we got going on. It's Rose Tequila Day. We got Gobstopper Day. Dang, haven't had those since I was a kid. National Coloring Day. We got National Cream-Filled Donut Day. Eat a Hoagie Day. That's huge here in the Northeast. They all call them hoagies. I'm from Ohio. We just called them sub sandwiches or subs. What do you guys call them? Let's see, Medicine Day, Live Creative Day, Sober Day, Virginia Day, and a bunch of other celebrities' days. Fear and Greed Index, let's just refresh it. Currently in fear. Yesterday we had a 34. Obviously we had the CPI numbers come out, which kind of tanked us back down. Today's pretty decent, so maybe we'll jump up to like a 28, 29, or 30 if the rest of the day stays pretty neutral or in the green. Crypto Bubbles, top 100 coins and tokens. We got Sell. Wow, up about 18.5%. Had a huge jump up from $1.43 to $1.181. We'll have to do another short squeeze or some news came out. I'm not sure. But Terra Classic is down about 22%. I don't know. I'm not following that. Raven Coin, that's doing pretty good. Up about 20.9%, sitting at just over 7 cents. Take a look at my favorites. VGX down about 17.8%. I think it's a lot of people expecting some type of buyout or news from the announcement. They're just selling off, but we didn't really hear anything about that, but I'll get into that later. CKB is crushing it, up about 16.4%, sitting at 0.00456. It's good to see that's up. Propy's up. ADA's up about 2.4%. But yeah, majority of my favorites look like they're in the red. Total crypto market cap. Looks like we're currently at about $956 billion. According to CoinGecko, though, we are at just under take that back. We're just above $1,034 billion, down about 1.8%. Again, I don't know where they pull this data from, but TradingView and CoinGecko always is a little bit of a discrepancy there. Total crypto market cap, not going to really do too much technical analysis on here, but again, we had those CPI numbers come out. We were way overbought. That dipped us way down to way oversold now, and we're just under this Ichimoku cloud here, so hopefully we can try to bust up through this and get back in the green. All right, Bitcoin dominance. We are down a little bit, looking at about a 40.32%. DXY, US dollar currency index, whenever this is up, that's usually when the crypto markets and traditional markets are down, and vice versa. I do have this Elliott wave theory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially in play, where we did peak out potentially at about a 110.783. Again, historically, going way back for the DXY, historical numbers are that 105 range and that 110 range. We did bust just above it, dipped back down. CPI numbers came up, we shot up a little bit, but we did hit that resistance of the Elliott wave to that ABC corrective. So we'll just have to keep an eye on this right now. It looks like we are below the cloud, at least in the 4-hour, and hopefully the DXY drops just so we can see the traditional and crypto markets head back up. So again, we had some numbers come out. Actually, this was yesterday. Inflation did rise 0.1% August, even with a sharp drop in gas prices. Let's see. So consumer price index increased 0.1% August, excluding food and energy. The inflation gauge rose 0.6%, both higher than expected. Costs were driven by increases in food, shelter, and medical care services, offsetting a sharp decline in gas prices. It's good that gas prices are coming down. I got a pretty decent drive for my training that I've been doing this week. And the real average hourly earnings adjusted for inflation rose 0.2% for the month. However, they remained down 2.8%. But again, this is what happened yesterday. That's what pretty much tanked all of the markets. However, we did have the markets turn green a little bit today. Early this morning, wholesale prices fell about 0.1% in August amid inflation fears. So that's kind of the news, I think. That's why the markets are doing a little green today. All right, so jumping into Bitcoin. So what's going on with Bitcoin? This guy's saying that he's expecting that we're going to start going up a little bit. He says that the market goes down and people are fully bearish again. He expects the opposite to happen because similarities looking at trends back from 2018 and 2019. So back in 2018, 2019, we had a double bottom with a higher low, and we had the moving average ribbon cross the 50 over the 100. And after that happened, Bitcoin increased 300%. We're exactly in that same structure. So you can see those moving averages, that orange line crossing the blue here with the double bottom back here in that 2018, 2019. And again, we are just about to have that double bottom here in 2022, and that orange line is about to cross that blue moving average. Hence, we had a 300% increase. So just keep an eye on that one. That's just some technical analysis. Take that with a grain of salt, but that is definitely in play. So let's just take a look, quick technical analysis. We were way above that Ichimoku cloud here in the 4 hours. So the CPI numbers came out. Boom, that brought us back down to this Ichimoku cloud level where it's real thin right now. So it looks like we could have a move either to the upside or downside. There's really much not support or resistance going on. We are oversold a lot right here. So just keep an eye on that for some quick technical analysis. All right. Again, the ETH Merge is currently going on today, but it seems like a big nothing burger. There's not much price action. Looks like a lot of buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing that's going on. Again, with this ETH Merge, it is fundamentally a bullish event. It's going to have a 99.9% less energy use, 90% cut in emissions, deflationary with EIP 1559, and better economics compared to proof of work. But none of that has a big impact overnight, and already appears to sell the news could be in effect, like I previously said, according to Lark Davis, another crypto YouTuber. But again, not financial advice. We're just all people on the internet. You know, we just all have these ideas. Some people study technical analysis, fundamentals, but also there's lots of macroeconomics and geopolitical stuff going on. But yeah, we got the ETH Merge going on. What do you guys think? How do you guys think this is going to play into effect with the price action? You think this is going to be a bullish thing? You think it's already done? I don't know. But again, I've heard that with the gas fees and whatnot, it's not going to pretty much lower them at all. It's just for the energy use and emissions is basically the big proof of work going to that proof of stake. Here is the price action, buy the rumor, sell the news. At least over the last 15 days, we have seen a 23.9% increase from about that 28th August all the way to that big sell-off from yesterday's CPI numbers. So again, we are below that Ichimoku cloud on the 4-hour charts on Ethereum. Again, big nothing burger so far with the ETH Merge today as far as price action. All right, next topic, quick thing. This is a move to earn platform. It's been around for a while. It's called Sweat Economy. They have the Sweat Coin token, which just apparently launched just the other day on a bunch of different centralized exchanges, and it's doing pretty well right now. It's up about 48.13%. It's crushing it. It's just over 7.5 cents. You guys can see that it did have a huge increase over the last day since it launched. But yeah, if you guys are interested in move to earn platform, go check this out. I do not believe in the United States the wallet is active, so you still can accumulate at least within the app, and then whenever that wallet goes hot, you can transfer it to one of these exchanges. And I'm still assuming that it's going to be launched on some of these other U.S. exchanges and whatnot. But I know it is on KuCoin, Gate.io, FTX, and Bitfinex. So again, we're coming up at about 9 minutes and 24 seconds. I tried to keep this under 10 minutes. Jump into VGX. They did have the auction yesterday, but nothing really came out of it. The news was silent. Price action, everyone pretty much sold off from yesterday, expecting a big announcement of a buyout. I did a video the other day on price predictions. I did say that there was potentially Elliott wave theory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in play, but that did become invalidated because this drop that we've had, this 4 did go below the 1, so it pretty much is invalid. However, We do have a falling wedge currently in play, at least on the 4-hour chart, and we just hit that support line right here at the about 67 mark. We're at about 70 cents right now, so we could bounce around here, and with any news over the next couple of days or weeks, we could see a jump right out of this falling wedge. And again, keep an eye on that 28th of September timeframe. That's when it goes to courts, to where the court and the judge is going to have that, whoever bids on it, and it gets the official approval on that date. Here's some tweets from the community, from the dude. Shout out to you. I know you'll probably watch this, but he has two schools of thought. Did add a third one. One, the Voyager auction is going into day 2, which is today. Will continue until the bidding stops. 2, the auction is over and we won't know the results until they're filed with the court. That's another true thing on the 28th. 3, the UCC is useless. They have been useless. They're too by the book. I can't understand this because this is a big Chapter 11 bankruptcy thing, but they're not really. They're supposed to be for the customers. I haven't heard anything from them. So what the heck is going on? He said that he threw number 3 in there because he doesn't see them doing anything except reminding people they have an NDA. They can't quell concerns with the community or share any useful bit of information. 100% agree with that. Another community member, Peter Pineapple, says that he's agreeing that Voyager UC has some good legal reason to stay silent, but saying nothing makes us question its trustworthiness. Exactly. But he's been popping up here with the hashtag Voyager auction, so just keep an eye on that for whatever his thoughts and ideas are. Again, these are just community members, but it's always interesting just to see getting a feeling of how the community is reacting out there. Another thing that's going on, shout out to Mirthless Chud VGX Stunner. There's a lot of wallet movement going on out there. A lot of hot wallet transactions. Every one of the 150 transactions has the same behavior. One wallet is removed from an exchange for relatively small amounts that has been inactive for months with no other activity ever, all coinciding with the auction. So what's going on? Narrator saying here that maybe it's proof to bidders that they have control of those wallets and accounts. Chud said, possibly seeing wallets linked to all other major exchanges, as well as tokens like Gemini USD Nexus that are not available on the app being transferred in. So maybe it's something behind the scenes that's going on with the bidders, just seeing that they do have, they're in control of these coins and movement within the hot wallet. But that's another thing that's been talked about within the community. So let me know you guys' thoughts. Who do you think is going to buy them out? What do you think is going to happen? Are we going to hear something today? We're not going to hear something until September 28th, until it goes to final approval with the courts. I don't know. It's crazy. But I tried to pump this video out for you, make it as short as possible. Went over about 2 minutes on my 10-minute time frame. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Go give me a follow on TikTok at Crypto Airborne. Follow me on Instagram if you want to at Crypto_Airborne. And go give me a follow where I am the latest and greatest active on Twitter at Crypto_Airborne. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I got to get ready for this job. Got to make that money, man. It's bear markets. Got to make as much to take advantage of the cheap coins and tokens that are out there, just so when we have this next bull run, we can all get rich together. And, this is all part of our journey. It's crazy out there, but stay safe. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll be on later tonight. If something crazy happens, I'll pump out a video. But enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Crypto Airborne out. Have a good one, everybody.